China's Hong Kong Special Administrative Region will hold a legislative council election on Sunday, the first since improvements were made to the region's electoral system earlier this year. All preparations for the election have been put in place. The Leg co-election features broad representation, political inclusiveness, balanced participation and fair competition. There are 153 candidates vying for the Legco's 90 seats. With many new faces, the candidates are more diverse in their ages, professions and backgrounds than ever before. Among them are grassroots representatives, such as bus drivers and registered electricians. Hong Kong SAR Chief Executive Carrie Lam earlier called on the Hong Kong residents to cast a vote of confidence for Hong Kong.
希望喺共同努力之下呢，我哋會辦一場公平、公開、廉潔、高效嘅立法會換屆選舉。